The Isimi Lagos project has been a massive one right from the beginning. Starting from the Isimi Lagos launch in April 2021 and the Isimi 2030 symposium that was held earlier this year. The dream for the Isimi Lagos city is to have a wellness city and a sustainable environment, building for change and impacting our environment and making the world a better place. Now, the Isimi dream is finally in action as construction has already started on site. So come with me as I take you through the construction process, and also we'll be having a little chat with some of our engineers on site. So come with me. Standing on site now, and behind me, I'm sure you can see a thick forest, and the clearing has already started. So I'm just going to introduce to you the person in charge of clearing on the Isimi site, and I have Mr. George. What is the quality of equipment that you're using to make sure that we get like a good groundwork despite what we're seeing right now?
What we have actually planned to do here is to ensure that the boogies we brought here, swamp boogie, because of course it's a thick forest like you started with. You have water, pockets of water in a lot of the land areas. So we've decided to run with boogie even when standard equipment like excavators can also do this job, because you have some areas that are dry land.
Hello, Mohammed.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What are your expectations for this entire Isimi project?
Actually, this project, it will take like 7 years till 2030.
Okay.
We'll start the people come and rent in this estate.
By 4 months, are we going to be having any structures here?
Yes, we'll take some structure here in the, but not fully, but some. We'll start some because of the clearance.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, Engineer Jamil. Okay, I want to ask your thoughts on the kind of buildings here, the entire Isimi plan, and how it's related to nature. I just want to hear your thoughts on that.
So actually this building is a construction building. Is built by 25% of concrete and 75% of glass by glass. This is to protect this nature green, and there is a river here, to protect everything and to be is a good show.
I'm here with Engineer Faisal in charge of the project. I'd like to ask, what are your plans for structural stability here in Isimi Lagos?
We always follow up with our work with the quality.
Okay.
And we have teams specialized for quality control, and we are following the standard of ISO.
Okay.
Yeah, as we are ISO certificated company now. We follow up with our timeline. We make sure that our team, all of us, execute the activity during the timeline.
Good afternoon, Engineer Ifeanyi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Engineer Balo.
Good afternoon.
All right, I would like to ask about the phases of construction here at Isimi Lagos.
Now we are doing mostly site clearing. Then after the clearing, the first stage is the service area. Then there is a milestone target for each year.
I'm here with Mr. Dayo, the project lead of Isimi Lagos. Good afternoon, sir.
Hi, Faith. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. So I would like to know, based on the magnitude of the Isimi Lagos project, how has the preparations for construction been so far?
Yeah, it's the same project management plan.
Okay.
Starts from briefing, to design, to then you move to execution. As you can see, we've started clearing.
Yeah.
This is a multi-billion-dollar project, and then because of that, we can't take risk with the value and the excellence that we have to bring forth. So we have great contractors working with us. We have about 7 swamp boogies on site now. We have excavators, we have dozers. We deploy them as we need to. So we have about 2 months for this stage, before we proceed into the reclamation proper. So it's quite a major project. That's why it's 2030.
We're excited about it. We can't
Yeah.
wait.